So first I would like to thank all my viewers because my channel got 200 subscribers now in just 20 days, and that's achievement, a little one, but thank you to all and keep supporting my channel. So today we're going to start with a short story, and the story is when Ben was late for his work and was passing through, he asked time from Julie. She is coming from the other side, and Ben asked, Entschuldigung, wie spät ist es? And Julie said, Oh yeah, es ist But as you can see, Julie can tell time in German. So that's what we are going to learn today, and I'm going to tell you how you can tell time in German. And there's our teacher, and today we're going to learn the Uhrzeit. Obviously that's time. So the question is, wie spät ist es? And that basically means how late it is. The exact meaning is how late it is. And the second variety of is, and the different one is, wie viel Uhr ist es? That's simply what time it is, as we ask it, what time is it? Okay, so how will you answer these questions? Now this clock showing 2 p.m. exactly 2 p.m. but that's in English. How you will tell it in German? And the starting one is how you will answer it is es ist. Es ist means it is, and it is 2 Uhr. 2 Uhr. That's the first, and there are different ways in German language in which you can tell the time. I'll tell you all of them one by one, obviously. And the second different possibility would be 2. Es ist 2. 2. And the third one is 14 Uhr, and that's obviously from the 24-hour watch, in which the 1 p.m. will be 13 and 2 p.m. will be 14. As you know, we see it on train stations, airport, the official site. So that's one possibility, and I'm going to show you other ones because time can be different. So the second possibility can be, and now you see it is 1:15, and how you will tell it in German. The second one is 5:30, and how you will tell this one also. I will tell you both of these possibilities now. The first one first. The 1:15 p.m. would be 1:15. 1:15. We learned the counting in previous videos, so you wanna use them now, the numbers. And the second one, as you see here, it's Viertel nach 1. Viertel nach 1. Now this one is different. What is Viertel nach 1? Viertel basically means quarter. As we say in English, quarter past 1, which is 15. 15 quarter is 3/4, and it is 15 minutes basically. So you can say Viertel nach 1, 1:15. That's the other possibility of saying that. And the third one is simply 13:15. 13:15, which is we saw in the previous one. Yes, 13:1 is 13 Uhr in 24-hour watch. And now the other possibility, which is 5:30 p.m. and how you can say it in German, and we'll show this now. Okay, that is 5:30. 5:30. Es ist 5:30. And the second variety, and the second possibility is saying it's different. Obviously it is halb sechs. And now you will be confused why it is halb sechs and not halb fünf, because it is like this. We have the half portion of the clock right here, and we have half of 6 according to the German. So that's why it is halb 6. And I know in English it is 5:30 p.m. but it is halb 6. And the third variety is obviously 17 Uhr 30. 17 Uhr 30, because 5 in 24-hour watch is 17, which is 17 Uhr. So these are two other possibilities. Okay, now moving on. Please watch it till the end. I will show you how you can tell easily. So that is what we will learn now. As you can see, this clock shows all the varieties vary in a very good way. So now see the first half of watch, which is from 12 to 6. Right here it shows nach, which means after, which is past, as we say quarter past. So the time, if I want to say it is 5 past 1, would be 5 nach 1. 5 nach 1. Okay, and the 15 minute would be Viertel nach 1, as we learned it in the previous slide. And now 4 is before, obviously. This 4 is before, and as we say in English, quarter before 1 would be Viertel vor 1. Viertel vor 1. So this is how it works. They're all 5 vor, 10 vor, 20 vor, and after the half one, you can also say 5 nach halb. 5 nach halb. Halb anything, halb 6, halb 7. Okay? And similarly, 5 vor halb. 5 vor halb. And 5 minutes before, it will be 5:30 or 6:30. Okay, and this is how the time works here. So by this image you can easily learn how we can tell time in German. I know this is a little bit tricky topic and it will take time to learn these, but with practice you can tell it. So the answer would be starting from as ist. Okay, as we learned it today. So that's it. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will meet you in the next one.